Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Cold today. But our first snow, not first snow ever, obviously. First snow, and it's like 1,000,000 degrees below. But I'm a northerner, not a big girl about it. I just put on my thick coat, and my winter hat, and my winter beard, and I go out and 13 pairs of trousers and 4 pairs of socks and quite a few pairs of underwear and many shoes, and I'm fine. Anyway, so I'll sit here and shiver slightly while we do this quick video. Hello, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Very quick video. It's giveaway time. Yes! Time for me to gizzle some shizzle away to you guys. Yes. As you know, my nose whistled then. Wow. As you know, I've been doing a lot of Warhammer 40k lately. I've not gone off Gunpla. I've got Strike Rouge, Master Grade, or Tory to do. When I finish this build 3 models, but I've got into the Warhammers lately, and I love it. I love it so much. It's great fun. And I've been hanging around the Warhammer store and watching them play games, and I'm like, I really want to try this. It looks like so much fun. I want to give it a go. I want to get some dudes rolling the dice and the oh. So I made a decision the other day to build an army. Yes, I'm going to go for Imperial. I'm going to go for Astra Militarum as a base for the army, and throw in some other things like Imperial Knights and some Space Marines, and I'm going to use some, I've got some Tempestus Scions, and I'm going to, over the coming months, slowly build up an army that I can play on a table. And then I'm going to go to my local Warhammer store, and they said they'll show me how to play so I can get a few games in. And then I'll probably never play again because I don't actually live or know anybody that, or live near anybody that plays, but I want to try it. So I've got my army, I've got all the little dudes, I've started building them. I'm just using as a basis the Cadian troops, the basic Cadian assault squad. I'm going to build it up from that. I've got some Tempestus Scions as well. I've got a Valkyrie of my own. I've got a Lehman Russ to go. I've got an Imperial Knight that I'm going to invent some fluff for. And I've got loads and loads of Space Marines and things to put in there, so I can just build up the force slowly. And it'll probably take me years, and it'll probably take me months and months to just get the first lot painted. But I'm going to get it done. However, this is where I need your help, because I don't want to paint them the normal boring Cadian scheme that everybody paints them, which is the khaki and green. Boring. Everybody does that. I want them to look a bit different. So I asked my brain, I said, hey brain. And brain was like, yeah. And he said, what colour should I paint these dudes? It's typically a 2-colour scheme. The suit is 1 colour, and the plates of armour, which is the chest and the shoulders and the gun, is typically a different colour. What should I do? And my brain went, bye, and left. So I've got no ideas. I've had a few ideas, but they all suck, basically. So I want you design a colour scheme for my army. Yes. Oh, I forgot to tell you, they are called the Unending Forces of the Holy Contrivance. Yes, the Unending Forces Holy Contrivance. Sounds nice and Warhammery. Also sounds a little bit silly, which that's what I like. It's actually a reference to a very, very, very old issue of Mad Magazine. Don't think any of you will get it. So there you go. You get 10 points if you do. If you get it and you put a comment on here telling me what that's a reference to, I'll send you a sticker. So the Unending Forces of the Holy Contrivance. So I can't come up with a colour scheme, so I'm running a competition. So before I tell you how to enter, let me show you what you can win. You can win this. Yes, the Valkyrie, the Astra Militarum Valkyrie, 41 quids with a kit. I've got one myself. This is my copy. I'm waiting for the prize copy to arrive. That should be here tomorrow, and that'll be completely unopened. You can win this kit. It's a beautiful kit. It's got wings and it's got things. I've not built it yet. Can you tell? But you get 2 awesome pilot dudes, and in the back here you've got a couple of dudes, and you've got dudes with the guns on arms that you can have sticking out if you want to do it like a Vietnam-style dropship. And you can carry, I think it's 10 or 12 guys can be in this in the game. I don't know in reality if you can cram them in there, but it can theoretically carry 10 to 12 troops. So you can win that. Now, not only can you win that, but I've also got a copy of the Black Library Celebration 2018, which I'm giving away. Now, you can actually get this free if you buy anything from the Games Workshop store, or you go into your local Games Workshop shop and buy something. They'll give you a copy of that free. They do it at the start of every year, I think. They give this away free. But I've got a copy of it. I'm not going to read it, so I'll include that as well. So it's a nice little freebie if you're not planning on going to the Warhammer store anytime soon. If I remember rightly, this is just like their works of fiction, stories based around the Warhammer universe. It's a selection from the Black Library. So, how do you win that book and that awesome kit? Very simple. If you go to the Model Makers Boomhut, that's our Facebook group, and it's facebook.com/groups/model boomhut. I'll put it down there. Pop along. At the very top of the page, there is a pinned post or a sticky post. Now, if you're on a mobile device, it might not show it. There'll be a little thing that says show pinned post or show sticky post or something like that, or view post, show hidden post. The very top one. And you won't be able to miss it because it'll have the same picture as the thumbnail of this video. Now, the first comment on that post is from me, and it's just a picture. And it's a black and white outline drawing of a Cadian trooper. All you need to do to win these cool prizes is quite simply download that picture. It's just a JPEG. Download that picture. Go to town, colouring it in. Colour the dude in with whatever colour scheme you fancy. Save it, and then post a comment on that post with your coloured in picture. I'll collate them all together, and on the 27th of March, I will go through all the entries. I will pick one that I think will look awesome on my army that I want to paint, and that person will win the kit and the book. And it's open to anyone, anywhere. Don't care where you are. When I pick the winner, I'll post a video up saying who's won. You just need to then send me your name, address, and phone number, and I can get it sent to you. Now, simple rules. It's open to everyone, but you do need to be a Boomhut member. You can't comment on a post in the Boomhut unless you're a Boomhut member. So if you're not a member already, go to the Boomhut, click on the join now or send join request or whatever it says on the little button on the right hand side. Just click on that and one of the team will probably approve you within an hour or two anyway. 24 hours at the most. We kind of approve anybody. We approve everybody, so don't worry, you'll be in. You've got a while to post it. So you can download it now and get colouring, but remember you'll need to join to post your comments. So you need to be a Boomhut member. Needs to be in by the 27th of March. I will draw on the 27th of March, so ideally before the 27th of March. You can be anywhere. You can submit as many entries as you want. You can do 1, you can do 50. The more entries you do, the more chance you have of actually winning, and that's cool. And what are the other rules? Were there any other rules? I can't think of any other rules. It's not a complicated competition. Basically, colour something in. Oh, yes. Make sure you post your entry on that post in the Boomhut. I will ignore any entry posted anywhere else because I haven't got time to collate entries across different sources. So if you're watching this now and you've not heard of the competition, or you saw me post in the Discord, or you've seen it on my Model Making Guru page, don't post there. It needs to be on the pinned post, the sticky post at the top of the Boomhut page, the one that announced the competition that you got the picture from. Anywhere else, and it won't be entered. So make sure you post it there. What else was there? That was it, I think. That's all the rules. It's not a complicated competition. There's no real hard and fast rule. It's not really sticky. Just colour something in, and I'll pick a winner, and you'll win a sweet kit. 41 quid, that's worth it. 41 quid and you're getting it for free. I'm even shipping it for free. And I'll ship it anywhere, unless you're in North Korea or somewhere we're not shipping to. Like, yeah, I don't know. I've not had to ship anything to anybody in Antarctica yet, but one day I know it's going to happen. My luck is they're always in, like, South America somewhere. It's like £400 to ship it. But it doesn't matter. I will ship it to you. It's all completely free. So even if you're not into Warhammer, it doesn't matter. It's a really nice model kit. Why not just make it anyway? For the sake of 10 minutes colouring in a picture. You don't even have to stay in the lines. You can feel free to add logos and insignia if you want. If you want to go the whole hog and come up with an army symbol, an insignia, try and make it something I can hand paint. That'd be really good. Like Gothic script, it's not going to happen, but a simple shape, I can probably hand paint that on pauldrons and things. So maybe even get decals made. So if you'd like to do an insignia and other things, feel free. You don't have to. I'm not really looking for that, but you can if you want. So I look forward to seeing your entries for the, I've forgotten what I've called them now. What are they called? The unending forces of the holy contrivance. That's it. Unending forces of the holy contrivance. Tell I've not been using that name. I'll get used to it. Anyway, my brain's running out now, and I need to go and take this coat off because it was a good joke, but it's really hot now. So yes, I will do that. Don't panic if you're into me. If you into me, no, don't do panic if you're into me. Don't panic if you watch my stuff. Wow, yeah, this coat is really hot. Don't panic if you watch my stuff for Gunpla and you're wondering why I've stopped making Gunpla. I haven't. I'm just on a Warhammer kick at the minute. I've still got Gunpla to build. I've got to build the Strike Rouge Uotori Master Grade for one of my patrons anyway, so that's coming up once I finish the E-mod build. So don't panic. Gunpla's gone nowhere. Gunpla's still around. That's going to do me. I need to go and take this coat and hat off now because it actually is 1,000,000 degrees in here. It was a joke. I thought it'd be funny. I'm suffering from my art. Right. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. Go download that picture and colour in. And until next time, adios amoebas. Good luck to everyone who enters. Free stuff. Free stuff. Free stuff.